Welcome to my news channel. Today we discuss about educational psychology. First of all, meaning of educational psychology. Educational psychology is the most important branch of applied psychology. It is the study of the psychological aspects of educational situation. It is the study of educational problems with psychological facts. It is a fully developed branch with its own scope as a distinct system of study. It is psychology applied to education. Every child is born with some hereditary influence, some inborn qualities, and there is a difference from the other physically, mentally, emotionally, etc. These differences, they have their own specific problems in the field of education. When the principles of general psychology are applied to solve such problems, it is known as educational psychology. Next, definition. Some of the important definition of educational psychology which is help to you know about educational psychology is very well. First definition, Skinner. Educational psychology is that branch of psychology which deals with teaching and learning. According to Crow in Crow, educational psychology describes and explains the learning experience of an individual from birth to old age. Next, according to E.A. Peel, educational psychology is the science of education. Next definition, according to Stephen, educational psychology is the systematic study of the educational growth and development of a child. According to Jude, educational is the science which explains the changes that take place in the individuals as they pass through the various stages of development. Next, nature of educational psychology. From the above definition, the nature of educational psychology can be explained as follows. Number one, it studies about the various factors those influence the behavior of the child in school. Nature. Another nature, educational psychology as an applied branch of psychology applies the principle of psychology to study the behavior of the children in learning situation. Next, it also suggests the ways and means for the modification of the behavior of the children. Next, it helps a teacher to solve the various problems that arise in a classroom situation. Educational psychology deals with behavior and responses of an individual made with a view to finding satisfaction in his environment and creating adjustment for a happy life. This much about educational psychology. It helps to all TET candidates. Thanks for watching my video and please subscribe and like and share. Thank you.